In this case, this cow, she's breathing normally, great news. However, they're still unconscious, they're still unresponsive. Why? Well, we need to kind of find out. We're going to do a 10-second head to toe survey. Around the head, looking for any lumps and bumps, any fluid coming out the ears. Look, see if they've got any necklaces on that might indicate they're allergic to something or they've got a medical condition. Down this arm, again looking for blood or anything that's abnormal about it. Check for pockets. If they have something sharp in a pocket, we need to, in order to remove it so they don't roll on it when we put them in a recovery position later. If they have something, I'll just remove it and I'm going to place it in the hand that's closest to me. Say if they had glasses on at this moment, I'll place it in this hand that's closest to me. Check this leg out and I'll check that leg out. We then need to put them into the recovery position. The recovery position looks like this. Arm out nice and straight. I always lean over the casualty because this way it helps me remind me which arm goes with where. This hand here closest to the head links fingers and kind of slaps her face, gently though. If I let go, however, this hand will just flop back on the floor. So I must make sure I link fingers and I slap her cheek there. The other hand, I grab the outside of the knee, bring the knee up until it's flat on the floor and make sure my knees are next to her torso. I know what I need to do, no strength required, just need to push on this knee and she'll roll over completely, like so. Push gently, over she comes. This leg here, up nice and high, 90 degrees, and then I will let go of this arm and then I will open her airway. Okay, I need to monitor her, make sure she's still breathing.